Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese noodles, only way. Start by boiling 8 ounces of noodles until al dente and reserve 1 cup of pasta water. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a pan, add 1 cup shredded cheese and a splash of milk, then stir until smooth. Toss noodles with sauce and add pasta water a little at a time until you reach a silky, clingy texture. Gather simple ingredients and keep them ready before you cook for a smooth process. Have 8 ounces noodles, 1 cup shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons butter, and a splash of milk on hand. Freshly shredded cheese melts cleaner than pre-shredded varieties. Measure your pasta water by saving about 1 cup before draining. Keep salt and a pinch of pepper nearby so you can season as you combine the sauce and noodles. Work quickly once the cheese hits the pan so it melts smoothly without clumping. Boil noodles until al dente, reserve 1 cup of pasta water, then drain. Melt 2 tablespoons butter over low heat, add 1 cup shredded cheese and a splash of milk, stirring gently. Remove from heat and immediately toss the noodles in the cheese sauce, adding pasta water 1 tablespoon at a time until the sauce clings nicely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.